Good morning. Today I will compare about the world first container ship versus the world largest container ship. About large, as you know, MSC Oscar container ship is the world largest ship. If you compare with SS Ideal X, is very far. Then we talk about long. MSC MSC container ship long is around for football pitch, and we know that SS Ideal S is under to football pitch. About the short, SS Ideal X is the short for MSC largest container ship, and it's only can gain to potential value of cargo about 50 around 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 6 million car. Then MSC Oscar can potential value cargo about 1.2 billion car. Then the old MSC Oscar is a new ship that around 2015, and SS Ideal X container ship is 1956. Heavy that the world largest container ship MSC heavy is around 19.224 or about 30,648. The MSC powerful is the power table is 2001 Keltris. Then SS Ideal X is only 1018 kettles. Small. The SS Ideal X is too small for MSC